the whole day waiting for their human. Playing with them um, will make your dog have a sense of security. True, that's true, Rachel. They will give you comfort and joy. That's reciprocal. When you give time with them and you feel relaxed, they feel the same. Diba, Shak? You feel the same? When mommy is happy, Shak is happy. But when mommy is sad, Shak is sad. And it will also serve as their regular exercise. Playing with your dogs will serve as their regular exercise because daily activities is very important for them to keep them weight, to keep their weight kasi like Shaq and Mia, they need to be fit. They are very prone to heart heart attack. Ano nga yung karaniwang sakit na nakakamatay? They do feel our emotions and we feel theirs. That's true. That's why they know if we are angry because they can sense us. They know our emotions. American Bully is very prone to heat stroke. That's why they need to be fit. We play hide and seek and that's one of our games to get out energy. It's hard for me to play hide and seek because Shaka is always following me every time I go there. I tried it before, but Shaka's always following me. And if I run, they are faster than me. This kind of routine is very important to them. Kasi like what I said before, dogs like Shaq and Mia, American Bully, they are sometimes have a separation anxiety. Even if it's just 5 hours or a day, a whole day, they have separation anxiety. So it is very important for them to engage with your dog. It is very beneficial to their mental health. It will also help them prevent boredom. That's why I bought some chewing toy, but I need to find undistractable chewing toy because all chewing toy are broken because Shaq is very big and also Mia. He has strong jaw. Yan, sleepy na si Shaq. Yan, so cuddle like this will help them release stress. They love scratching. They feel relaxed and also they will release their stress. Hi, Fatal. No school today. Wow, that's good. You can rest.